My name is Josh Monahan, Service Manager, Commercial Parts and Service. We're back again. Today we're going to be talking about microwaves, which commercial parts and service we see a lot of. On average, probably anywhere from 20 to 50 a week that come into this shop alone. Notwithstanding also the regular service calls that we run out in the field to the locations. Everybody knows that this is an integral part of the back of house operations. Today we're going to go over a few basic things you as a consumer and customer could check to potentially save you any hassle and or downtime. So today we're going to talk about a few of the issues with the microwave. Issue number one, you have a microwave, you have no lighting and nothing is working. First thing you're going to do is make sure that it is plugged in. Once you've checked and you know that it is plugged in and you are still having the same issue, then the next step would be to check the breakers. Find the breaker, make sure that the outlet that this microwave that you're using is plugged into is on and operational. A few ways to check that would be to plug something else into that same outlet if possible to see if that is working. If that is the case, then there's definitely an internal problem with the microwave that would need to be taken to a CPS certified company. Issue number two that we're going to talk about is the obvious one where food is not getting hot. We've already covered if there's no power, unit's plugged in, unit is now on and is showing ready. We know we have power. Now you go to use the unit. As you can see, you put your food in. You want to make sure that there are no metal utensils, tin pans, anything that would be conductive, because that will cause the microwave waves to concentrate to that and cause internal problems. Once we have got everything functioning and you've gone and verified that with no metal, you hit your button, you go to cook at 30 seconds, you open and you still have cold product. The next thing you would want to do would be check airflow. Airflow is checked in a couple of different ways. This particular unit, we have vents in the back that will draw and move air through the components. Other pieces will have removable vents that can be cleaned. They can be literally slid out and put back into place. You always want to make sure that this thing has plenty of air movement. If those have all been checked out and the unit is still not operating properly, then you definitely need to have this serviced by a CPS certified company. All right, so we've covered a couple issues. Now we're on to issue number three, which is kind of a big one. When you have a microwave that is not functioning properly, that's where real problems are going to be more evident. What you're going to see is that if there was and or is metal or any conductive material in the microwave, it's going to look like something on Northern Lights. You're going to see a light show like you would on TV, like you would in any animated series, wherever you want to put it. A thunderstorm, that's what you're going to see inside the unit. And that is not a good thing, because what that will do is that will cause pieces like this, what we call the bottom plate, to discolor and potentially crack. If that happens, that will cause bad cooking and more problems, because there is no way for the microwaves to be transferred directly to the food. It has nowhere to go but to wherever the crack is. That will be demonstrated by blacking of a white plate, and you will see more discoloration in the unit. If you do see that, witness it, or come later after somebody else has used it and see any of what I've described, the lightning show, the discoloration of the plate, definitely unplug it and take it to a CPS certified company to have it looked at. There is absolutely a problem. All right, so we've covered the basics of basic troubleshooting and what you can do to look over your microwave. If you do make the repair yourself, It's highly recommended that you make sure that it's working properly. One of the ways, and the best way, is to take about a quart of water, fill it up, test the water in a cold state. Once you've done that, put it in there, but only if it's microwave safe. If you go and use plastic or something else, you're gonna end up with something that's very nice and melted all over your unit. So make sure it's microwave safe. Once you've got the microwave safe bowl, you want to put it at the max temp, minute to 2 minutes. Let it finish its cycle. Once it's done, remove it very carefully because it's hopefully going to be very hot water. Take it, retest your water, and verify the temperature again. You will see a significant temperature increase. Now again, the temperatures vary from brand and makes and models, if you will. Once you've done that and you verified that you are, in fact, getting the heat that you need, you are good to go. So here at Commercial Parts and Service, we're available 365 days, 24 hours, day, sleet, snow, we're here for you. If you need any service, please give us a call. We have over 50 CPS certified technicians that are available to make a quality repair to a piece of equipment that you might have.